Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start in Vermilion City at the fishing shop and speak to the owner clearly. He checks your progress. You need to have beaten the first 4 gym leaders to proceed. Make sure you have 1 item slot free and 5 PK dollars ready for potential fees. Save your game before any trade or purchase. This preserves progress if something goes wrong. Keep Pokemon at healthy levels. A fainted team can prevent certain scripted events and delay obtaining the super rod. Collect a good rod first and keep it ready in your item pocket. Progress to Route 12 and find the old fisherman holding a broken rod beside the water. Speak to him twice. He mentions needing proof of gym progress or specific HMs. Ensure your party has 6 Pokemon to maximize encounter variety while fishing. Carry escape items like repels and a few potions to avoid unnecessary backtracking during the fishing sequence. Return to the Vermilion fishing shop after speaking to the fisherman on Route 12. Present gym badge proof or required HMs when the shop owner asks for verification. Trade the broken rod or complete the requested task. The owner then gives you a super rod. Use the super rod only on deep water tiles to encounter higher-level Pokemon and rare species. Remember to save immediately after receiving the super rod to protect your achievement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.